to the kitchen. I want to make pizza today, and I was actually thinking about making it last night, but it was way too late for pizza. So I actually made some pizza dough and let it rise before I went to bed. And it's actually been sitting in the microwave with the lid on it the whole night. Okay, look at that. We're gonna roll this out and make some pizza. I don't know what I want on it yet, but since this is gonna be a vegan pizza, I love onions and peppers on my pizza, so we're gonna see if I have any in the fridge. And then we're just gonna find a bunch of random things to throw it on the pizza. How is this pizza gonna be vegan? Well, I was in the store and I came across this thing, BioLife's mozzarella strand. And if you know anything about dairy-free cheese, it's that it doesn't really melt. It doesn't melt at all. Like vegan cheese is really bad and it doesn't melt. But this one says it melts just like mozzarella. Now, despite what my Italian friend Mariana thinks, I read that canned sauce is better than regular sauce. So I've been using canned sauce for my pasta recently, but not my pizza. So this is gonna be my first time doing that. And we're gonna see how it goes. First things first, get a pan. It can be a baking pan, it can be anything, just something where you can make your pizza flat and spread it out. So we're gonna use my little baking pan that I normally use for casseroles and stuff. Personally, making pizza is very therapeutic because I get to punch the dough really hard. So I think we're done. Right now, this is actually, I feel like it's actually too much dough, but we're gonna go with it and just see how the pizza turns out. All right, and now the part that I'm most excited for, the vegan cheese, BioLife cheese. It smells like mozzarella. I don't know, hold on. If you fed me this and told me that it was mozzarella, I'd probably believe you. This is crazy. This actually tastes a lot like mozzarella. Salt Bae action, let's go. I just made a huge mess. Okay. I'm gonna add an onion on it, so it's probably gonna take a second. Before you cut your toppings, your onions, your peppers, whatever, if you have any toppings at least, make sure you're preheating your oven at about 300 to 350. Now I know what you're thinking. Peter, your pizza looks lame. It's literally one color. No, it doesn't, okay? Shh, relax. I'm gonna chuck this in the oven right now for about 20 minutes, maybe? I don't really know, I just kind of eyeball these videos. But yeah, 20 minutes, cool. See, fake cheese doesn't melt that easily, normally at least. So I'm really excited, hoping it goes well. And I will check back in with you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, hey, so the pizza's in the oven right now. It's been about 15 minutes, kind of. But I think it's ready. I'm gonna take it out early so it's not burnt or anything. It definitely rose a lot, the sides. The crust, it's definitely expanded a lot. So we're gonna take it out and see what happens. Hot, okay, let's go. Okay, so it doesn't look the best. Maybe I could have let it in a little bit longer. It could have got some browning, but look at that. That if you know anything about dairy-free cheese or fake cheese, vegan cheese, it doesn't melt. It doesn't melt well, but this melted really good. Not as good as I saw on the photo. Their pizza looks like this. There's no doubt in my mind that if I added more cheese and let it cook longer, it probably could have looked like that. But I'm on a tight schedule to eat this pizza, so let's go. The sauce is pretty good. The sauce is actually really good. Holy cow. I realized a scissor would just be way faster and easier, so I'm gonna cut this pizza. Look at that. Right, taste test. Let's go. So, here's my pizza. Hold up. I know I said I smelled it and it smelled really strong. When you like bake it, it tastes like regular. Oh my god. Ha. Why is that so good? Oh my god. For those of you who are lactose intolerant, like myself, Violife cheese, go for it. This pizza took me, if you want to include making the dough and not include me sleeping overnight, the dough took 10 minutes to make. All of this took like 10 minutes to make, and then like 15 minutes in the oven. So like a 35-minute, 40-minute little journey to make this pizza, and it's amazing. I feel like knowing that it's not real cheese makes me think that it tastes better than it does, but it's actually really good, like, honestly. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me today. That was really good pizza. I might make it again. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you want me to cook or anything you want me to make. That was so good. I'm sorry. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back soon. That was so good. That was so good.